Is it more tape? Okay, you guys already know what comes in this kit. It's the beautiful nail glitters. Beautiful glitter powders. We have the lamp. I am so excited about that. Everything is pink. So cute. We have instructions. And it gives you, and I'm gonna read these too. I need to know exactly what to do. These are so pretty. Very excited about this kit. You guys have no idea. This is a polygel nail, but it was made with clear, as you can see. And I did it in like under 30 minutes. Oh my God. You're ridiculous.
It's gonna be that way.
Everything is pink, and that is really cute. Like she said, everything is pink. This is pink. I'm literally not gonna use this because I have my own. Compared to this, they're about the same. It's just pink. So I'm gonna keep this to myself. Yeah. I am gonna use this brush though.
Oh, it's a brush.
I think it comes with more stuff as I keep unpackaging. This is the Makaratt brush. So happy that I got this stuff a day early in advance. They are so thoughtful. They put the little stickers on there. Thirsty. Thirsty City. Girl, I already asked them. They don't want to get their nails done. They probably ain't got no money to get their nails done. They look young. Huh? Yeah, well, see, they already got somebody that they're going to. So they don't want to support. King, go sit down. They gave me a base coat. I'm so happy about that. Top coat. Give him a cookie or anything. Calm him down. Base coat. He didn't eat none of his food? That's probably why he moody. Go eat that food, King. Go eat your food, King. Stop screaming. So excited to see what this do. Little bitty thing, so cute. Mini folding lamp, nail curing lamp.
That's what she got.
Yeah, this is what Femi Beauty had. So shout outs to her for purchasing the kit, unpackaging the kit, and letting us see how that works. The little adjustable thing. If it wasn't for you, girl, we wouldn't even know this existed. Because I was still in the acrylic world. So that's really cute to me. And this also comes with these really, really nice, it has this charger, which I find, yes, it is. Everything about this package is cute. That's why I had to get it, because it was pink, and I'm like, oh yeah. And then I found out that they made a nude one, and I was gonna say that they should make a nude one, but they did. They made like a series of browns and nudes and stuff like that, so they already thought of everything that we would like, you know. Ladies love their nails done. King, no! And you plug it in right here.
And it's gonna be a blue, and then the blue gets glitter.
Ooh.
It's gonna be sky blue though. Wait, it's summer. I can get those fruits. But I don't know. I'm on polygel now.
Ah, there we go. We booming. Okay. And we also have these nail glitters, and I believe it's some other stuff in here too, like the rhinestones and the nail forms and everything else. Yeah, 'cause, oh look, it came in an assorted box, and they have these mirror. These are bomb. These are bomb as F. These are bomb. These have AB crystals and mirror crystals, so that's really, I'm looking forward to that. And I like how they have them all, you know, inside this little container, because sometimes they come in packaging that's like, you have to come with your own container. So I'm very excited about that. Oh shit, some of them came out. Okay, this is so cute. It's little. Is it this one that was open? These are bomb. I was just looking for these, and I didn't know that they were coming in the mail. She has some large ones. I'm calling them the kit a she. So she got some large ones. It's some large ones in here. Okay. So, what else? Oh, no, you did not.
Ooh.
These are nail forms. Nail forms are for polygel nail dual forms. And these are some nail forms. These are regular. I have some longer ones that I would like. And these are the glitters. I am excited because one of these glitters that was showed on her video, they were really bomb. So I'm just doing a re-review of this whole packet. And they gave me everything that was in her packet and everybody's packet if you order this stuff. This is a chunky glitter. I already seen some. This is a fine hollow glitter. It's really, really nice. Really, really nice. This is a more chunkier glitter. You can see.
That's purple.
This is blue. Complimentary of the pink. And then they have the really super fine pink glitter, of course. It wouldn't be right without that pink glitter. Don't mind this pinky because it's like, I had to rip off my nail forms.
Stop it.
Okay, so this is the whole kit. Very excited. This is gonna be my thumbnail. Let me put this back in here. So cute. And as I showed you guys before, I'm just getting it ready for my thumbnail. So cute. Okay. Okay, let me put that back. This is the glitter.
On the right side.
Everything's in the picture. Nail forms, dual forms, everything. Okay. That wraps up this video. Very short, very sweet.